Have you ever started speaking English and suddenly your mind goes blank? Or you hesitate because you are afraid of making mistakes? If yes, then this video is for you guys. Today, I am sharing 7 powerful techniques that will transform the way you speak English. These techniques are practical, easy and super effective. So stay till the end. Let's get started. Most of the people think in Hindi first and then translate into English, which causes delays and errors. Instead, train your brain to think directly in English. For example, if you see a dog, don't think ये कुत्ता भाग रहा है and then translate. Instead, you can say directly think in English, this dog is running. So, start with small words like object, names, action and daily thoughts. Hey guys, this technique is called shadowing, where you listen and repeat English sentences like a shadow. It improves pronunciation and fluency. For example, watch a short clip of any English speaker and you can pause and repeat exactly how they say it. So try this with a movie scene or interview. Every day you have to do. Quick tricks: set a timer for 30 seconds and talk about any topic non-stop. For example, talk about what you did today, is your dream, occasion, or you love coffee. This builds fluency, confidence, and quick thinking in English. Talking to yourself in front of a mirror, correcting mistakes, and feeling more confidence. Feeling shy? No problem. Talk to yourself in the mirror. Mirror talk helps you observe your expressions, body language, and confidence. For examples, look into the mirror and say, you can say, hi, my name is like this, and today I want to talk about this. It might feel weird at first, but trust me, it works like magic. So one powerful method is recording yourself speaking English. When you listen back, you will notice mistakes you never realized. For example, record a 1-minute daily vlog in English and track your improvement over a month. Best way to learn English, surround yourself with it. Like change your phone language to English, watch English movies with subtitles, listen to English podcasts and audiobooks. The more English you observe, the more natural it will feel. Last but not least, increase your vocabulary with this simple habit. You can learn 3 new English words daily and use them in conversation. For examples, today words incredible, and second hesitation, and third spontaneous. Okay, and how you have to use in sentence. Speaking English fluently is an incredible skill. To avoid hesitation, practice daily, be spontaneous while talking. See, that's how you improve naturally. Okay, you have to use in sentence 3 words. That's it. These 7 powerful techniques will boost your fluency and confidence in speaking English. But remember, learning is not enough. Practice is the key to success to speaking English fluently. Guys, if you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe and let me know in the comments which techniques are you going to try first. See you in the comment. See you in the next video. Thank you.